What to do, YouTube? BasedKev here today for a shoe unboxing. First and foremost, thank you for clicking on the video and visiting the channel and watching this video. I appreciate it. Make sure to sub to the channel to see more content like this. Shoe pickups, Nike SB, Supreme, unboxing, anything I pick up. And also leave a comment of what you thought about this video. And hit that like button to help my channel grow. And thank you once again. Okay, starting off the video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, I am unboxing the Nike SB Dunk High collaboration with the Carpet Company. And today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. A week ago, on March 9th, 2021, Nike SB released their highly anticipated Nike SB drop alongside Skateshops with the Carpet Company. And on sneakers, they released the same shoes on Friday, March 12th, 2021. So luckily, I was able to cop through a sneaker raffle at the Select Skate Shop in the Montrose area of Houston, Texas. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. Make sure to check out their page. Also hit up the shop. Good people, great vibes, awesome store. Always support your local skate shops for sure. Select Skate Shop, Houston, Texas, hit them up. So they actually held a raffle on the Sunday before March 9th, online through their Instagram. I entered the raffle, didn't think much about it. Usually I just enter and then never get selected. But this time around, I woke up on Tuesday morning, checked my email, and I was like, oh shit, I got an email from Select. And it said, congratulations, your entry won the Nike SB Carpet Dunks. And I was like, yes! I actually won a sneaker raffle in Houston, Texas. It's not rigged. I did not get any plugs from Select guys. I go to the shop every now and then, but I'm not like cool enough to have raffle wins from them. So I was super stoked. And as you can tell, I'm wearing the Select Skate Shop t-shirt in collaboration with Mark Gonzalez. So legendary Mark Gonzalez actually drew this little graphic for Select Skate Shop and they threw it on t-shirts and some lighters. Actually got a lighter, I'll show y'all later. And it's sick, so support your local skate shops. Some more information about the drop. I'm just gonna read it off the sneakers app. So Carpet Company may be relatively new to the game, but that doesn't mean the label hasn't left its mark on the skate world. Founded in 2015 by a pair of brothers, Ayman and Osama Abdeldayem, sorry if I butchered that, the Baltimore-based brand has earned a reputation for its considered craftsmanship, whimsical graphics, and one-of-one approach to creation. For this dunk, Carpet Company left no stone unturned. Supple white leather is contrasted with a semi-translucent blue layer that nods to screen printing, a process close to the company's heart. As you skate, the fabric tears away to reveal yellow leather and a dizzying array of unique graphics with text on the heel and illustrations on the insole of particular note. Get your hand on this distinct wearable before the brothers Abdeldayem move on to their next creation. So that's just off the sneakers app for the shoes. So if I'm keeping it 100 with y'all, I actually never bought any apparel or skate products from Carpet Company. I have seen their skate decks in shops. It's pretty cool because they do each of their skateboard graphics one by one by hand. So there's no digital printing. It's all old school paint screening, one of one. And they also put it in this cool Ziploc bag for shops to sell them. I'm not sure if they do it anymore, but they are a real DIY in their parents' garage. Started off just experimenting and making things that they actually like. So to see them collaborate with Nike SB is very inspirational because these two dudes, they have full-time jobs. One's an engineer for the city. Second one is actually an IT analyst or specialist at NASA. So these guys know what's up. They got full-time jobs, but they also have a side project, Carpet Company, which is just popping off. They do apparels, I believe, twice a year. They only have drops for 1 day or 2 days to release that apparel online through their web store and maybe at some select skate shops. Big ups to them, they killed it with this collab. Alright, enough talking, let's get to the shoes. Here it is. I got the select receipt from the day I copped the shoes, which was March 9th, 2021, a Tuesday night. Went to the shop, got the shoes, I was stoked. He also hooked it up with some stickers, some shop stickers. Do some close-ups for y'all. And here are the shoes. They come in a Nike SB striped rainbow box. And the label says Nike SB Dunk High PRM QS, which is I guess premium quickstrike. Retail price was $125 USD. And the official colorway is white / royal plus dark sulfur. And here we go, opening the box. Off the top, comes with your standard wood grain shoe paper. And there it is, the Dunk High. Take it out the box. Ooh, wee, yep. I'm taking both out the box. There it is. The Nike SB Carpet Dunk High. This is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. One of my favorites I've seen so far. And I love Dunk Highs. I love blazer mids. Anything that goes and covers your ankles for skateboarding. Especially for skateboarding, you gotta protect them ankles. Because once a board hits your ankles, it's one of the worst feelings in the world. Skaters know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's talk about the shoe. You can see majority of it is blue, and it comes with this screen printing material on top that tears away as you skate. So there's actually a different color underneath where you see all the blue. There's actually a yellow leather underneath. It's on the swoosh, it's on the toe panel, it's on the heel panel, on the lace eyelets. That actually tears away as you skate. And then on the back heel, you see the Carpet logo embroidered. Very, very nice. On the toe panel and the mid panels, these are leather. Very, very soft leather, white leather. Also on the back heel, comes leather. The heel, they come with a removable tag, and it says some writing on it. I'll show some photos of other people's tearing off their pair. On the tongue, it has an off-whitish cotton tongue, mesh tongue, and the tongue tag says Nike SB in blue with white background, and then Carpet Company underneath. On the bottom, you got a gum sole with Carpet Company graphic as well. You can see in the ridges, and then the middle of the sole is Nike SB in white. The midsole is white midsole, but it also comes with, looks like some paint marks around that gives it some, I guess it's been worn. So that's pretty cool. It's not completely white or gray, it's like a bronzish color. I'll do some close-ups for y'all. You can see it on the threading towards the midsoles. So big thing, it comes with white laces attached. Best part, comes with 4 extra laces. Believe that, 4 extra laces. So white laces come on already. Then you got a black shoelace, you got a yellow, a light blue, and a beige creamish color. And they're all SB oval laces. I'll do some close-ups for y'all. But that is sick. Also, some cool features about this shoe. On the tongue, on the inside, there's an extra label underneath where it usually says Nike and a swoosh name, copyright material. They have Carpet logo and some characters in, I believe, Arabic that are embroidered on the tongue. And also inside the shoe linings, on both the left shoe and the right shoe, but on the outside of them, there is embroidery as well with some Arabic writing. I believe that should say carpet company, I believe. But I'll do some close-up for y'all. Very, very cool, nice touch. And also there's a tag on the inside. Next to the size tag, they actually have a carpet company tag with a, looks like a lamb or a sheep. I'll try to do my best for close-ups. And then last is the insoles have an image, the carpet company logo. It's actually the same logo, if you can see towards this area of the shoe dunk. There is a embroidery of a Moroccan man, I believe. That same image is on the insoles of the shoes. I'll do some close-ups for y'all so you can see. That's enough talking about it. Check out these shots of close-ups of the shoe. There it is. Thank you for watching the video. I'm super happy about having these in hand, especially after going all of 2020 without copying a single Nike SB Dunk. So having this shoe in hand is a good feeling. Finally hit a raffle dub. Happy and grateful. Carpeting company killed it with this pair of shoes. I don't think I'm gonna skate these anytime soon. I just want to appreciate them for what they are. Have them in my collection. I will definitely wear them this year, but since the pandemic is still happening, I'm probably just keep them on ice until a good time to celebrate and wear them and just rock them. And if you made it to this point of my video, thank you for watching. I appreciate the support. And if you haven't yet, make sure to check out my other shoe unboxing for the Nike SB Supreme Dunk Lows. I actually have it right here. These bad boys are insane. So I got both of these on the same day, March 9th, 2021. Got this in the mail, and then I got this at the skate shop with the raffle win. Let's check it out. I'll put a link in the video right here. And once again, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to sub to the channel to see more content like this. Smash that like button, it'll help my channel grow. Leave a comment what you thought about this shoe, what you thought about the Nike SB Dunk High. If you copped on sneakers, your local raffle, if you got it online for resale on StockX, things like that, let me know. I want to hear y'all's thoughts. If you're gonna skate them, if you skate them, man, get some clips. I want to see your clips and send it over to me, because that will be sick. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. BasedKev here, and I'll check out on the next video. Peace out, take it easy.